Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an interesting recipe. It is going to be a suspense towards the end. So let us start with the recipe. It is very simple. For that, in a bowl, I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour. To that I am adding salt that is required for the flour. Mix the flour and the salt well so that it gets well combined. So now here I am going to add some water gradually and I am going to make a dough into a firm one. Don't over drop the water in the dough. Knead the dough as you do it for a puri. Now after kneading the dough, we are just going to dust and flatten the dough. I'm going to divide the dough into half the portion and I'm going to take the half and flatten well along with the dusting flour. Flatten the dough as thin it can be so that it gets cooked very well. So if you see now, I have flattened the dough thinly and now I'm going to cut these flattened one into 2 halves. I have taken a tea glass tumbler which we use for preparing tea and coffee, and I'm going to grease it well with oil on the outer side of the glass, and I'm going to just cover the dough with a glass with the one which I have greased the oil. Make sure that you don't leave any breaks between the doughs. Cover it as tight as you can so while frying it doesn't come out. So now if you see, I have covered the entire dough with a glass. I have done the same with 3 to 4 glasses. If you see now in the kadai, the oil is in hot medium flame. I'm going to add the glass with the dough coated. So I'm going to cook it one by one so that the dough gets cooked properly inside and outside the glass. After the bubbles get subsided down, I'm going to just flip it. If you see now, the dough is well cooked on one side, the other side is getting cooked. If you see now, the dough is good fried. Before draining the oil, be very careful so that the oil inside the tumbler comes out well. Drain the oil well from the glass. See, the bubbles have subsided. Just drain it well and take it out. Do the same with the other glasses that we have coated the dough with the glasses. If you see now, I have well fried the glasses with the dough. Let it cool completely. After it gets cooled completely, if you give a gentle tap towards the opening of the glass comes out easily and we get the perfect texture. Do the same with the other glasses. It is very easy. It consumes only 10 to 15 minutes of time to do this process. You can also use small cups in which we use to serve the desserts instead of glasses, if you find that the glasses will be a little big to fry. So now the outer side of the dough is ready for the snacks, and I'm going to just prepare a simple masala. For that, in a bowl I have taken onion 1, tomatoes 2, boiled potato 1, some coriander leaves for digestion. To it I am going to add chili powder 1/4 spoon, turmeric powder 2 pinches, chaat masala 1/4 spoon, and the salt that is required for this chaat And finally, for some tanginess, I'm going to add lemon juice, 1 spoon. If you need more tanginess, you can add some more to it. And I'm going to mix all these onion, potato and tomatoes well, so that all the masalas gets well mixed. Now here I'm going to just fill the molded chaat cups with the masalas that I have prepared. It takes no time, but less than 25 to 20 minutes. Our homemade easy simple chaat is ready. I'm just garnishing it with a mixture on the top. It is very easy. The kids will definitely love it. Please do try this at home. And if you like my video, please do subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon below so that you can get my future videos. Okay, stay connected. Keep watching. Thank you.